Here, you can see the basic structure of a CIP tank cleaning system. What is key in efficient CIP cycles? The right cleaning concentration, the right cleaning temperature, the right cleaning speed. Having these parameters under control will deliver optimal cleaning results within a minimum amount of time. We at Baumer offer you single-source solutions for CIP cleaning. Our conductivity sensor, AFI4, with merely 15 seconds response time, accurately measures concentration in minimum time. The calorimetric flow sensor exactly measures process cleaning speed, both in the flow and return flow pipe. This allows for pump performance optimized towards the right cleaning speed. More information is available on our website. Thank you for your attention.